How to link bank account to Credit Karma. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To instantly link your bank account to Credit Karma, firstly, from your Credit Karma Money Spend or Save home screen, select Make a Deposit option. Further select Continue on the screen that says Credit Karma uses Plaid to link your bank. Now, find your bank by selecting its logo or by using search and log in with your online banking username and password. Choose which account you would like to connect if you have multiple accounts at this institution. Once your external account is linked to your Credit Karma Money Spend and Save accounts, you can start making the deposits. So, this is how you can link bank account to Credit Karma. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.